Viewers, today I have a strange problem. I want to solve the strange problem. This problem is that in a Google Chrome, I log in my Gmail account. If I want to, someone sent me the uh, mail and there is the attachment of PDF file. For example, this one. I want to click on here. After that, there is nothing. They show nothing. But if I see in my the Android phone Gmail account, but it shows there is email. For example, in I am in there is a Firefox browser. If I want to click this one, there is a PDF file I seen before. I click on here and so there is a PDF file. But in a Google Chrome, same file I want to see this. Click on here. There is nothing. I don't know how it is how I getting this problem. I do not get I do not see this kinds of problem in Google. So this is a strange problem I face. I don't know how to fix it, but I will try it in a live session. Okay, so what can I do? First of all, I close the Google Chrome. This is Firefox is alright. If I click one of the email, I see there is attachment of there. If there is another one, I click on here, you see there is attachment, but in a Google Chrome that show nothing. Okay, so how to solve this? I think this is a new problem. So I try to fix this one. Okay, first of all, I want to uninstall the Google Chrome. I have to uninstall the Google Chrome. Let's see what happened. The one more thing, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon. And if you want to see my updated video, please press the bell icon. Okay, and if my video is informative, please share this video your friends, family, whatever you like. So I have to uninstall the Google Chrome first. Let's see I can fix it or not. I hope it takes time. I think this kinds of problem is new because I don't see this. I search in a YouTube as well, but I don't find this kinds of problem. Okay. Okay, now we are in Firefox and search free download Google Chrome. Okay, let's okay, this is the first there is a download now option. I try to click on here. Okay, then it's appear. Now you see there is a download Chrome and there is a two option available here. Set Google Chrome as a default browser and help better experience and crash report, automatically sending crash report. Okay, so you click on this two option and then download Chrome. Is start now. Download is start. It usually takes time 2-3 minutes. Yes, okay, then it shows some message, open, allow, install. Okay, I download Chrome again. I click on here and you accept the terms and condition. You have to this device would not receive update because Google Chrome no longer support your operating system. Okay, there is you see this message. It said if you're using Windows 7, Google Chrome not support any longer in your operating system. That means you have to update your operating system as well. For example, now you have to use 8 or 8.1, 8 or 11 or 10. Okay, so I try to install, accept and install. Now download is start. Okay, and there is another option. If it's not working, you say download Chrome manually. Click on here. Yes, Google Chrome connect, Google download start. It takes several minutes. My internet speed is not too good, that's why it takes time maybe. Yes, viewers, now you see Chrome is downloaded now. So I click on sign in. Let's see what's happened. I hope everything is fixed now. To give your email address and password, so I skip this part. Okay, now I give my verification key, so I have to wait for it. Then I sign in my Google account. Okay, synchronize me. Yes, I am in. Then click on Gmail. I click on Gmail. Okay, now I am Gmail, and I have to see my problem is fixed or not. Then click one of the email, click on here, click on here, it's opening now. You see, and now it's fixed it. I want to see the another one, for example this one, but this one getting a problem, and click on here. It's loading now. Still then you see my everything is showing now. So thanks for watching. So now one more thing, you have to be get the problem is again, why it's happened, because it says to get further Google Chrome update you need to Windows 10 or later. This computer using Windows 7, because Windows 7 the Windows 7 do not support the Google Chrome at this moment. Maybe we suffer this problem again. So you have to change, update your Windows. For example, Windows 8, 8.1, 10, 11. You can fix like that. Thank you very much. Bye bye.